What if a humanoid robot was small enough to throw in a backpack, but still serious enough for real force-controlled research and rapid sim-to-real testing? That's exactly what AGIBOT just unveiled with Q1. Let's explore. Technology is changing, and intelligent agents are evolving too. When we're used to using the computer on the desk, the phone in the hand, or the smart speaker waiting in the corner as the entry point to intelligence. Have you ever thought that perhaps the intelligent interactive terminal of the future could be a robot that looks a lot like you?
机器人为什么有实际呀？
它能够聊天，解答10万个为什么。
太阳公转的时候，身子是歪着的。
机器人这个是什么？
它会教英语，发音标准，耐心满分。
Q1 can teach English with standard pronunciation and full patience. It can also accompany you while you learn dance, and it can dance even more accurately than you. Others lock robots in the laboratory, but Q1 put the entire laboratory into a backpack. If this category takes off, Q1 could be a big step toward true, personal humanoids. Smaller, more affordable dev platforms that let a lot more people experiment with embodied AI in the real world. Hope it made you think. Thanks for watching. This is Think Stack 101. Subscribe for more thinky videos.